This great home offers an open floor plan with main level featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. Hardwood and ceramic tile flooring. Cathedral ceiling featuring indirect tract lighting and display shelving. Trade ceiling and master, whirlpool and custom walk-in ceramic tile shower, walk-in closet. 2-car 24 by 24 garage. Additional living quarters in walkout basement for man cave or father-in-law quarters having a kitchen, bedroom, full bath, rec room with garage/workshop and it's on concrete drive. Nice size safe room/storage area. Balcony deck with patio featuring exceptional mountain views of the Smoky Mountains. Community pool and tennis court with 2 spring feed fish stock ponds. Seller will purchase a 1-year Choice Ultimate Home Warranty for buyer. Walking distance to TELLICO Lake. 5 minutes to SEQUOYAH Landing Marina and TELLICO Harbor Marina. Convenient to MARYVILLE and KNOXVILLE. 25 minutes to MCGHEE Airport. 25-minute drive to the Cherokee National Forest. Beautiful TELLICO River being one of the top 100 trout streams in America and the CHEROHALA SKYWAY a scenic byway. The electronic door lock-in basement does not remain and seller will be replacing with standard deadbolt. Refrigerator in main level, upstairs, kitchen does not remain. Washer and dryer does not remain.